Easy steps to start a blog and make money. Are you eager to learn how to start a blog and make money? Look no further. In this comprehensive video guide, we will provide you with all the essential steps you need to follow in order to launch your blog successfully and generate income from it. From choosing the right niche to optimizing your content and monetizing your blog, we have got you covered. Let's dive in and embark on this exciting blogging journey together. People start their own blogs for all kinds of reasons, including to share opinions, passions, or glimpses into their lives, to teach others what they know, to build an email list, to develop their personal brand as an expert, to make money online, a combination of any or all of the above. How to start a blog. Starting a blog comes down to the following steps. 1. Find a way for your blog to make money. 2. Pick a niche for your blog. 3. Choose a blogging platform and template. 4. Choose a blog and domain name. 5. Plan your publishing strategy. 6. Get people to read your blog consistently. 1. Find a way for your blog to make money. This might sound counterintuitive, but if you're looking to make money blogging, you should start with the money part first and the content part second. A solid monetization strategy comes before your first blog post because it determines what types of content you publish and how you grow long term. So to start, you want to think of your new blog as a business, rather than a creative outlet. Here are 6 ways to monetize. 1. Selling a book. 2. Affiliate marketing. 3. Digital products. 4. Physical products. 5. Services. 6. Subscriptions. 2. Pick a niche for your blog. What's your thing going to be? There's no shortage of content on the web. It may seem hard to stand out, but there are 2 ways you can compete. By choosing a specific niche to focus on and by creating content that has something about it that readers can't easily find elsewhere. Focus your new blog on a specific location. For example, New York. Focus your blog theme on a specific segment within a larger category. For example, not just recipes, but vegan recipes. Deliver your blog posts in a different style or voice. For example, humor compete with quality. For example, in-depth posts on a topic that no one else is willing to do. 3. Choose a blogging platform and template. Before you write your first blog post, you'll need to set up your blog hosting and content management system. This is where many would-be bloggers get stuck if they're not exactly sure which platform they should invest their time and money in. The choice usually boils down either to a self-hosted or hosted blogging platform. There are 2 ways either you choose. 1. Self-hosted. 2. Hosted. When choosing a platform, you will want to pick one that A. is easy to use. B. doesn't require coding or HTML skills. C. will be able to grow with you. 4. Choose a blog and domain name. When choosing a domain name, aim to make it memorable, fun to say, easy to spell, unique. Choosing a name for your blog can be tedious, but a good brand name makes a memorable impression on readers and allows them to know what to expect from your company. 2 commonly used platforms where you can build your website are A. Shopify, B. WordPress. 5. Plan your publishing strategy. Every blogger needs to keep a healthy supply of ideas, and it helps if you plan ahead to ensure you never run out. Create a content calendar to help you keep track of your ideas, and keep yourself on track, too. You can use a simple spreadsheet to plan your content calendar, but I recommend Trello, since it's free and also makes for a good place to dump ideas and organize them. Your content calendar should include what content you're creating, what audiences you're targeting, which distribution channels you will be releasing on and on what date. 6. Get people to read your blog consistently. We usually talk about growing an audience after publishing. But if you want to start a blog and build momentum quickly, you need to consider your strategy before you launch. Many bloggers struggle with distribution for 2 main reasons. They don't have a concrete, repeatable distribution strategy within their publishing process. Publishing a new blog is already a nerve-wracking experience, and amplifying your reach makes it that much scarier. Congratulations! You have reached the end of our video guide on how to start a blog and make money. By following the steps we discussed, you're well on your way to launching a successful blog and generating income from your passion. Remember, blogging requires continuous growth, learning, and adaptation, so never stop experimenting and exploring new opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Happy blogging!